Hi everyone, 您好 Welcome to Smart Mandarin. 我是 Maggie. 您好吗 This is what we believe the best way for learning Mandarin. Foundation Chinese 10 Popular Radicals, Episode 11. In this episode, I will introduce you 10 most frequently used radicals and some examples of the characters. I believe that you will be able to identify those radicals in the other characters. 口 mouth 口 This character is 名 名 means name. We can say that there is a mouth on the bottom because our names are called from the other people's mouths. 问 to ask. We say that the mouse is inside the door. So when we lock the door, we ask a question. 问 吃 means to eat. Of course, we use our mouth to eat. 吃 名 name. 问 ask. 吃 eat. This is the radical for words or speech. 讲 is talk. 讲 we have the radical on the left. 说 to say. 说 we have the radical on the left. 诉 to tell. Again, the speech radical on the left. 讲说诉 This radical is called standing person. 你 you. So we say a person on the left. 他 he or him. 他 again a person on the left. 门 is a function word to make the pronouns plural. For example, all of you will be 你们 They or them will be 他们 and that's why we have a person on the left. This radical is a double standing person. As we say in this character, 很 very. So we have a double person on the left. 很好 very good. 往 means towards. 往 and also has double standing person on the left. 得 to gain. 得 again have double person on the left. This is a grass radical, sometimes extended to plants. 花 means flower. We can say there's a grass radical on the top. 花草 This is really grass. 草 again we have grass radical on the top. 茶 means tea. Again we have grass radical on the top. 茶花草茶 Herbal tea in Chinese is flower tea, so it's 花茶花茶 This is a three-dot water radical. Let's look at these three characters. They all contain three-dot water radical. Let's see what do they mean. 汁 means juice. We can realize that the right side is 10, is 10, so actually this character is a phonetic noun. This character is 泪, means tear. You might realize that on the right side is I. And the last one is 河, means river. 河 之 泪 河 This is another radical for water. We call it two-dot water, means ice. Let's look at these three characters. They all contain ice radical. The first one is 冰, means ice. We can realize that the right side is water, is 水, water, and this character is 冰. This one is 冻, means frozen, 冻. The last one is 冷, means cold. 冰 冻 冷 This is a radical for hand. Let's look at these three characters. They all contain hand radical. First one is 打, means to beat and to play. This is a very useful word, 打, because it has more than 30 meanings. 拍 means pat, 拍 挑 means to pick or to select. 打 拍挑 This is a radical for clothes. Let's look at some characters. They all contain clothes radical. The first one is 裤, means trousers. 裤. This one is 裙, means skirt. 裙. And this one is 袜, means sock. 裤 裙 袜 This is a rich radical. Let's look at these three characters. They all contain ritual radical. First one is 礼, means ritual or courtesy. 礼 Present is 礼物 礼 This one is 神 means deity. 神 also means spirit. The last one is 祥 means auspicious. 祥 礼 神 祥 10 most popular radicals. That's all for today. In the next session, I will introduce you more common radicals. Thank you for watching. Well done you. 谢谢，再见。If you like our video, please press the like button and subscribe. See you next time.